Hey team, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to add an assignment to a folder, and in that assignment, how to attach a Google Doc into that assignment. You can also use a Google Sheet or a Google Slide if you want. I went ahead and did a test worksheet, just a simple one, but you can do this whenever you want them to define something or like for ELA, write their narrative and whatnot. So you would do this, you'll title it whatever you want. You go to the class that you want. And I'm just going to go to 2 because I haven't put anything there, and I'll do Friday. So click on Friday. On add materials, I'm going to go ahead and click add assignments. And so this would be test worksheet. On the description, this is where you write your directions. So however you want to do, you can also like make it bold, make certain words a certain color. I mean, you don't have to do this. I guess it's an extra step, but that's like if you want the word to stand out, you can go ahead and do that. Now right here it says assign from app, Google Drive assignments. I already did this, so the first time that you do this, it's going to ask you for access. So it's going to say something like, I think Schoology wants access to your Google Drive, and you just grant access, and then you have everything. So because I did this right now, it's actually the first one that pops up. So all I have to do is click it and attach. Now when we do that, it automatically makes a copy of the file for each student. So whenever they click on it, they don't have to make a copy. So it eliminates one step, which is awesome. Due date, let's say I wanted that one for that Friday's folder. Category for right now, just put ungraded. And you don't have to do anything here. But right here in the bottom, there's an option that says copy to courses. So you're going to click it. I'm just going to copy it to one to do the test run. But so you find the correct folder, and I had week 2 on Friday, September 18th. So I'm going to click that, and all the settings actually match. So then you just click anywhere, and you'll create. Now the only thing that is you do have to actually go back, because right here where you I spelled shit wrong. Well, for this one, the main one that I did, it provides a Google document, but there's no way, like I went to Schoology and it actually tells us that Google Drive assignments will not remain attached. So that just means that the course that I copied it to, which I believe was Long Beach, whenever like the actual assignment does copy, but the worksheet doesn't. So all you have to do is go back, edit, and you're going to click on Google Drive assignments, and then you're going to click this one again. So I know it's an extra step, but it eliminates adding it to each assignment. You just have to edit, and then they'll actually pop up right here. And yeah, that's how you copy your assignments to using a Google